Hello everyone, my name is Shared Samuel Bimamak. Today we're gonna talk about ambiguity. Ambiguity refers to when the general meaning of something is unknown even when appropriate amounts of information is provided. Ambiguity leads to people assuming an answer, and many times this leads assuming one's race, gender, and can even lead to class stereotypes. Our topic for today is the Blackbird by the Beatles. Blackbird is a song by the Beatles released in 1968 on their self-titled album, often referred to as the White Album. The song's meaning is multifaceted, but some possible interpretations include racial equality and civil rights. The lyrics Blackbird singing is the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly, are often seen as a metaphor for the struggles of African Americans during the civil rights movement. The song encourages black people to rise above their struggles and fight for their rights. Personal empowerment. The song can also be interpreted as a message of hope and encouragement, urging the listeners to break free from their limitation and pursue their dreams. Loss of innocence. Some see the song as a reflection on the loss of innocence, with the blackbird representing a symbol of freedom and joy that's been suppressed. Blackbird is a poignant song that encourages freedom and empowerment. The lyrics urge the blackbird to rise up and break free, symbolizing the struggle for liberation and equality. Uses powerful imaginary. The song's vivid imaginary, such as blackbird singing in the dead of night and the broken wings, creates a sense of longing and hope. Has become an anthem. Blackbird has been interpreted as an anthem for various social justice movements, including civil rights movements. The song message of hope, resilience continue to resonate with listeners today. In conclusion, Blackbird by the Beatles is a powerful song of hope and empowerment, urging the marginalized to rise up, claim their freedom, and seize the moment to create change.